Okay. Um, VW Phaeton W12. All right. This little thing right here, this is the original one, and it has a tear in it, and it's causing evap. Well, not evap, but secondary injection in check engine light. Just as a little update, because I always put up updates to this stuff. This replacement right here is pretty much, I'm gonna say, identical enough. Yeah, pretty much identical. The things are a different color, but everything fits. This comes from a 3 point. The parts I got from eBay, I will put it in the link. I guess I'll make a link for it. But yeah, they don't make these anymore, so you got to rebuild them. And this comes off a Porsche Cayenne, the 3.2. I just ordered two of them, one for each side, and hopefully solves the problem. It looks like it is because this one had a tear in it, and I blow through it and I hear air come out. So we're gonna fix this and put it together. I'm gonna get the other side out and do it too. And just I guess if you have an EGR, what is it? Not EGR, crap. PCV. This is your way to do it. So yeah, for the group, I will just, well, I don't know if it'll let me post information in the group, but I'll try to for the US forum. I know the national forum, the national group, they boot me out last time for helping folks apparently. So, yep, I will just put a link to YouTube video in the group. So, just a tidbit, but ordered this little thing for a 3.2 liter Porsche Cayenne. The V6, just order two of them and you're good. So there you go. Just trial and error because I went in blind and I just guessed. So, okay. And pretty much around this, you got to tuck it in a little bit. It's not going to sit in. You have to tuck it in, and then I think after a while it expands. But I tucked it in to create the seal and then put the spring back on, and then I will just snap this down and pretty much just pry this off, but do it carefully. And then everything comes off. There's a little greasy oil in here, as you see. So yeah, it has some stuff. So all right, we finna fix this and put this back together and get the other one and do the same. But just a little thing, because you will get the check engine. Like I had 4 engine codes for was insufficient flow of secondary air injection, and this is why. So all right.